So this is a short video, and in this one we'll discuss about Prospero's escape. So how were they treated? So it is Tempest, Act 1, Scene 2, and this video is basically related to Prospero's exile. So at the beginning initial part, if we make one arrangement here, so we have got Prospero. So Prospero, and he was the Duke of Milan. That is the step 1. Now step 2, his newborn daughter, Miranda was taken care of by 4 or 5 maids, or you can say nannies. 4 or 5 maids or nannies. Now the matter or the tension lies here. Prospero submerged himself into the study of magic, and there lies all the problem. In order to make his study a valid one exaggerated one extreme one, what he had done, he handed over the kingdom into the hands of Antonio. His brother, whom he loved extremely, and as a result of that we know what happened. Next, that did not stop the problem or did not help him to study his subject thoroughly. He put himself into further trouble as Antonio plotted a plan to exile Prospero and make himself the Duke of Milan. Antonio was helped by Alonso. He changed the ministry. He promoted some of the ministers who listened to him. He demoted some of those who did not listen to him. Furthermore, he made friendship with those countries who are never talked or respected by Prospero. Further, he became a dictator. He made the people of Milan believe his theory and listen to him only. And all these things happen without the notice of Prospero. So one night, Prospero was thrown away along with his daughter. So here the theme of exile is very important. It gives this drama a perfect look or a shape. Now Prospero was helped. Prospero was helped by Gonzalo. to reach the island, was helped by Gonzalo to reach the island, and that's all. And there lies the setting of the entire drama. Here is a matter of treachery that you can see from the part of Antonio. Now, exile is a prominent part in Shakespearean drama. So, exile is very common in Shakespearean dramas. If you look at As You Like It, there is also exile. So, even King Lear, there is also you have exile. So, these are added to make the drama more meaningful. This drama Tempest is little different. Actually, the climax is mentioned at the beginning instead of at the end. It starts with a catastrophe, which normally the comedies of Shakespeare do not start in such a way. So, these things we have to notice one before going further. Thank you.